welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about 12 IKEA products that will help you elevate your space. If you enjoy watching, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel as it really does help to support the channel. And I'll link all the products in description box. Now let's jump into it. So first product that I'm really excited about is this round coffee table that has sleek contemporary design featuring black glass and marble-like top. It will instantly add a touch of elegance to your space. You can style this coffee table with some books, magazines and decorative items. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to easy to maintain glass top. Whether you place it in your living room, office or in your bedroom, this table is a perfect blend of modern aesthetics and convenience. Let's also talk about this side table which can be used individually in your living room, bedroom, office or even with this coffee table. Third is this table lamp, a perfect fusion of style and functionality. With its classic beige base, it can effortlessly complement any room decor. It has a brass colored lamp holder and a lampshade with visible textile fibers. It can be beautifully styled on your console or side table. Next is this glass vase which can be an eye-catchy element in any space. That can be styled on coffee table, side table, as a centerpiece on dining table or on a console table. Ideal for displaying fresh or artificial flowers, it will elevate your decor no matter where you choose to place it. Fifth are these artificial flowers, perfect for those who want to enjoy the beauty of flowers without the hustle of maintenance. You can place these artificial flowers in decorative ways to create a stunning centerpiece for your dining table or console table. They will bring the beauty of nature without the need of constant care. Sixth is this sofa, available in different colors, light grey, red and dark blue. It's a stylish and comfortable addition to any living space. This sofa is designed to strike the perfect balance between aesthetics and cozy sitting, making it a practical choice for your home. This light grey color of this sofa is not only visually appealing but also adaptable for various interior styles. This sofa is great to sit, lie down and hang out on. Next is this floor lamp that seamlessly blends modern aesthetic with advanced technology. With its sleek and contemporary design, it will not only illuminate your space but also add a touch of sophistication to your decor. This floor lamp offers customizable lighting option with its dimmable and adjustable feature, allowing you to set the perfect ambience for various occasions. Moreover, its smart compatibility allows you to control the lamp using app and remote, providing a convenient and modern lighting experience. It's suitable for various spaces in your home, from living room to bedroom or office. Eighth is the laptop stand, a flexible and versatile solution that you can use throughout your home. It's easy to tilt the top and adjust the height of laptop stand that is comfortable for you. This table is also easy to fold, so it takes less storage space and also has a cup holder to always have a coffee and other beverages nearby. Ninth one on my list is this white grey green stylish storage solution that offers convenience and mobility. Its contemporary design makes it an excellent choice for organizing different areas. With the added convenience of wheel, it's easy to move from room to room, adapting to your changing needs. Whether you are seeking for storage near study table, kids room or in office, this trolley offers both practical and modern aesthetics to enhance your organizing game. 10th is this cushion cover. It's a charming and convenient way to enhance your space. It has a soft and durable material, making it a good choice for adding a comfort to your interiors, and also a quick way to transform and give your home a fresh look that will add a touch of warmth and style to your decor. 11th one on my list is this plant stand. Has shelves on different levels so you can put your plants on display and also gives you the dynamic look. This can be styled indoors as well as in your balconies. Last one on my list is the standing mirror. Has timeless elegant design with warm ash veneer and soft shapes, creating sophisticated and refined look that complements various interior styles. And if you are someone who's always running late in morning, then you can hang tomorrow's outfit behind the mirror and allow yourself few more minutes. Or you can also avoid the pile of clothes dumped on your chair just by hanging them behind. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and let me know down below in comments which one of these products you liked it. I have linked all the products in description box, so do check them out. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and I'll see you in next one. Bye.